my name is Deandra. I've been studying in Pengen for 6 months. The course that I took is Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, and I think so far that it's been great and everything's been very organized. My instructor is very patient and well-informed, and everything is well laid out. The program is very efficient and perfect for all types of students, as it suits everyone's learning styles and including their speed, whether fast or slow. I think that the skills that I obtain here will be very useful in the future for life in general and career-wise. And I just finished my 2 exams for Photoshop and Illustrator, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be used in university. So everyone that's doing it or will be doing it, good luck and have fun.